大家好，我是FeiBiaoDui，欢迎来到我的频道。那好，我们今天主要去聊聊关于 Pi Network 这次的商业黑客马拉松。那在这次的商业黑客马拉松当中呢，我们可以看到派呢，他提出了他自己有一个原型。那这个原型呢，就是说，我们的这些可以去参与的商家啊，本地化的商家呢，可以在它的一个原型上面去进行显示。那这个显示当中呢，就可以让这些想去通过派币去进行交易和这些线下的一些商家进行交易，那么他们可以产生一个很好的沟通方法，就知道你在哪里，知道你的店卖的什么东西。那么这呢是一个比较好的展示。那接下来的话就是一个视频当中，这是关于 Pi Network 在它的这个官方去发布出来的，也在我们的手机端的 App 里面去，就是我们点闪的时候它会发布出来。只是说呢，大家看起来云里雾里了尤其是在中国区的，那么看的都是英文，不知道他讲了什么。那接下来的话，我会把这个视频进行翻译成简体中文了，让大家去看一下它到底具体的是哪种操作模式，让大家更加了解它是如何去操作的和我们现实生活中哪些 App 是比较相近的呢？那接下来的话，我们就一起来看一下这个视频吧。
Hey Pi community developers! Today we'll be going over a PiOS licensed app prototype that you can use in the Pi Commerce Hackathon starting February 1st. PiFest in December saw over 21,000 submissions of businesses accepting Pi across 155 countries and regions. Pioneers took extraordinary effort to go around town and locate these businesses. Imagine there were an app that helped pioneers easily find these businesses accepting Pi. How much would it uplift Pi commerce, the use of Pi in local businesses around the world by our pioneers, thereby creating another utility of the Pi cryptocurrency? This preliminary prototype, created by the Pi Core team, illustrates how such an app can be designed. Community developers are encouraged to take inspiration from this design and adapt it to fit their local needs and their own design preferences. Let's take a look at the app. Here, I can see a map with two businesses around me. On top, there is the name of the app, and on the top right, I can see the language button. I'm comfortable with English. That's what I'm selecting here. Now let's explore the app first from the perspective of a business accepting Pi, and then from a pioneer's perspective. I am a pioneer business person, and I want to add my business to this app. I enter my name, the business type, which is a coffee shop, location, and menu here, so pioneers can see the menu even before they get to my business. This can be turned on and off. I can enable Pi transactions where pioneers can put in their orders online and also pay in Pi on this app. Or I can also allow pioneers to put in their orders on the app, but come and pay Pi in person later. I want to add an item to my menu. It's going to be a latte with a nice picture, price in Pi, how long it takes to prepare the meal, description, and there is my item. There is also a loyalty card that I can turn on. Now, app developers should understand that you can design a variety of loyalty programs between pioneers and businesses. This loyalty card is an example of what you can do. Here, I am going to provide one flat white for free when pioneers come to my business and do transactions 7 times. Each time they come, I give them a stamp, and after 7 times, they get one flat white for free. On the profile, I can also add photos of the business. And I can get a QR code, which I can print and put on the counter of my business. This way, pioneers can come and they can scan this QR code, and then they will be taken directly to the app to my business profile. Let's take a look. After I have created a business profile, this page acts as a summary of my business. Here, when pioneers come, because I have designed a loyalty program, when pioneers come, I can scan their QR code so that I can keep track of how many stamps they've collected. I can also see a summary of orders, pending orders, as well as historical orders. And that was my business profile. Now let's see how pioneers experience the app. On the bottom right, I can click on this icon and it takes me to the place on the map where I am. I can see there's a restaurant and there's a coffee shop around me. I just woke up. I want to get my coffee. Let me look at the coffee shop. I go here. I see some items on the menu. I like cappuccino. I'm going to add this to the shopping cart. And then I am going to pay with Pi. This coffee shop has also enabled a stamp-based loyalty program. So far, I have collected 4 stamps, and this tells me that if I collect 2 more, if I come to this business 2 more times and pay and conduct a transaction with them, then I can get a free cup of tea. So I will remember to come here 2 more times. That was the coffee shop. I had a nice cappuccino. It's lunchtime. I'm getting hungry. I want to go to this restaurant. There is a delicious risotto on the menu and a curry. I can't really pick between the two, and I'm feeling pretty hungry. You know what? I will get both of them. You can see here that unlike the coffee shop, here you can order online, but you pay with Pi in person at the restaurant. I go to the shopping cart, place the order. It takes about 20 to 40 minutes. It's saying that the order will start soon. Now it gives me a timer. It takes about half an hour for the order to get ready. I'm at the business, the order is ready, and now I can pay with Pi. And I have a full stomach. We've looked at the prototype from the experience of businesses and pioneers. Developers, this can be an incredible app for pioneers around the world and pioneers in your locality to find businesses accepting Pi. All the best on the Pi Commerce Hackathon. We are very excited to see what you build.
好了，这个视频我们已经看完了。看完之后，不知道各位派友有什么样的一个感想？那我相信在中国区的一些派友呢，非常能够去明白，这个派的项目方在讲什么，而且也知道在现实生活中，我们中国区已经有了一些 app， 它是对应哪些比如说比较简单的，像美团，像饿了么。但是实际上我们可以看到，像美团和饿了么这种平台，它是非常的完善的，而且呢，它里面的一个服务化或非常的人性。那么现在派呢，它就是类似于我们现在的这个美团或者饿了么，但是它实际上它的一个功能还比较单一。因为派 Network 它现在呢，目前就说，我们可以给你展示到哪些店铺在加入到这个派的收发当中，可以使用到派币的支付，可以买卖到的东西。但是它实际上，这些商家也要入驻到这个派的这个它的展示当中才行。那么未来的话，相信在随着不断的发展当中，越来越多的人去参与到这个派的线下交易，或者说这些商家愿意去拿这个派币去进行真实的赋能的时候，那这上面的一个商家人数就会慢慢变多。变多之后，它的这个功能也就会慢慢趋向于我们现在 Web 2的，是像这种美团或者说饿了么的这种运营类型。那甚至以后可能也会滋生出像这种跑腿的或者直接送上门的这种方式出来。那我不知道在海外区有没有这种像中国区这么高效的一种上门服务，或者说是给你送上门，或者说你去知道哪些店铺可以参与活动，直接去团购，让他提前给你准备好。那我不知道海外区有没有这种比较便捷的，或者说他们的这种操作方法和他们的节省程度有没有这么高因为在我们现在知道的已知的是很多店铺比如说像 Web 2的这种像美团 App， 那么你去购买产品的时候它可能会比现实生活中还会更加低一点。那当然这个里面呢，它有一定的问题就是说平台它会拿走非常多的一个扣额，拿去了之后呢，会相当于这个商家呢，他挣的实际上没那么多，而客服这边呢，他要把极大的这个利润让给客服，所以说商家在这里面做起来是比较难的。而我们目前可以看到派的这一点，它做起来以后也很有可能会打破像这个传统 Web 2这种类型的一个压力，就是这些商家的压力可能没那么大，因为商家他直接和这个 线下的这些客户呢是直接对接的，那它不会存在这个 Pi Network 平台会强制的去扣你多少点，所以说这里面我们可以看到，现在派的这个商业模式啊，它是比较单一化的。但是在未来一个发展当中，如果说它提取了把这个中间商平台商的这个利润给剔除掉之后呢，就直接是客户与客户之间的一个交流呢，那么这会做到一个商家的利益最大化，以及商家让的利呢可以直接让到这个客户的手中。那这种发展呢，我们是可以看好的只是说现在呢发展起来确实比较的单一。那好，这呢就是今天要去跟大家分享全部内容。以上的分享呢，仅仅是来源于我个人观点和我个人看法。那好，今天就这样喽，我们下期再见，拜拜。